This baby is cute. You a cute baby, big girl. Say hi to everyone. That's close enough. Welcome back to the vlog, and I'm joined here by Aria, who is new to camera stuff. So, are we going? We're heading now. We're gonna go see JR. They're gonna meet her for the first time, and also gonna meet up with Phil. We're gonna take her out. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go see the guys. Check out some Subarus. Woo! Now you're in. You're so cute.
Can't strap her in though.
I will strap you in. I'm gonna strap you in, and we're also gonna get the stuff in the trunk. All the stuff is loaded up in here. We got all the camera gear. This is for Jay. Long time overdue. Monster actually sent me out some more, so here's some more, and I promised him a case. So thank you, Monster. You guys are awesome. You have hair. You have hair. And you're, oh my God. I did the opposite. I got this. She cut it, and she's taking care of Aria, but.
Oh, okay. It's all good.
It's low.
It's low now.
I think I saw it. I saw it.
By standard.
Oh, no. That's compared to last time I saw it.
I can't fit my, I can fit my shoe, so we're good.
Okay, as long as you have shoe width.
Yeah, I was leaving here and by the Walmart exit, there's that little like dip.
Oh,
and I was like feeling comfortable.
You
and all of a
learned.
sudden, and I was like,
Welcome.
there we go. First
Welcome to low life.
I need that first scrape, and then I'm good.
Looks great.
Thanks, man.
So does this. Of
Feels
course.
proper now.
It's been so long since I've been here.
We're gonna try to clean his engine bay.
Oh.
Look at that.
It's causing Jay.
You can actually see.
It really is.
You can actually see like
Jay.
It's like
the fingerprints.
I can't let you go out like this, man.
Yeah. Your detailing life is just not compared
Look
to.
at this.
I know.
You can eat off of any part of his car. Like that's
I will if you have food.
that is the truth.
It's like
I know.
my
I'm
car.
sorry.
You mentioned that, and I kind of wanted to get some. Oh, it's good to be back to see these cars. It's the first time meeting. Oh, it's okay. She did. Baby girl, you just woke up. It's okay. It's okay. You just woke up and you don't know anything.
You're so fat.
She is. She's chunky monkey.
No.
Exactly. She's very pinchable.
That's kids, man. You gotta pinch them, dude.
And she made that.
Yeah, we did. You helped.
I didn't do much.
You did something.
I didn't do much. It's kind of offloaded.
Oh, yeah.
This goes there. Squirt. What's that?
Watch this.
Brandon's
Yeah.
tag.
Miss little
No,
babies.
he's the man.
Brandon's
make more,
almost,
man.
almost at like a million.
You can make more. You'll be
It's
good.
crazy.
Yeah. He's so cool.
Hi.
So humble and chill.
Yeah.
Just meeting new people. We gotta get her into cars. What are you talking about? You got it. Well, I mean, there's no kick there.
180, no.
I'm already smiling.
That's probably good. Help with your PT test.
Get out of shape, Phil.
I want him to land something.
Oh my God, what's that? That's the first one anywhere.
So your dad has cool friends. Not me, but him.
Alright.
Do,
This is a true test right here.
do it for the gram.
I'm probably gonna break my ankle.
That's okay.
It's razor tail, so it's not really good. Wait, do that again. Do that again. Oh.
I haven't done one of those in a long time.
Yeah, you look like a skater now that I see you with the board.
See that?
How do you not get kicked in the nuts by the board? I don't get that. So I promised you a case of Monsters, and then, oh, she already took it? Yeah, so, and I haven't seen you enough, and then every time I bring it up or I see you, I never get to give it up. Yeah, you talk a lot, girl.
It's all good. That's how it is.
She's a talker. I brought enough camera gear to do whatever.
About your camera gear and everything?
Yeah, everything. Finally got my Adamus replaced, so it was defective. They sent it back, and then I got a new camera, so that's even better.
Yeah.
I followed in your footsteps. Got the A6500.
Oh, that's good.
So got the in-body, but that's a replacement for the Canon that is gone. We don't talk about it, do we?
Don't talk about it.
Yeah. I don't really do many introductions or anything like that. He does have an auto bio coming out that I just have not finished, so
Finish it.
definitely. I know, I'm sorry. It was decent, but I'm telling you right now, we need more footage. Absolutely need more footage, because I was looking into it, and like in order to get the full length of what I'm looking for, we need to get more shots of this car, and especially now that you've made it all pretty.
Oh yeah,
and,
that'll be perfect.
And now JR's part of the whole entire cleaning operation of this thing. It's too pretty not to have on camera. Look at this.
Make her looking like she should.
This looks amazing. This thing is awesome. You guys get to know Phil a little bit more in depth. He tells a great story, and it's kind of interesting on how this thing came to be. Letting the master teach the trainee of how to spray out that engine bay. Detailing 101.
Basic quick detail.
Basic
Very
quick.
quick detail.
Oh my god, I can read my my fuel rails now. I forgot those were there.
I don't know. Baby, yeah, singular.
It's so like big.
Really?
Compared to the X1, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's never seen it before. Oh, what? What are you talking about? What's wrong? What's wrong? Don't try to grab the camera. Help me film. That's all you can do. Look at get the stroller in.
Oh, nice room.
We gotta put her in.
Yeah, it's got pretty good room.
Yeah.
It's not too bad at all.
Tahoe now.
Oh, excuse
You
me.
got one baby talking about you want a big ass fucking car.
Right here. Want to get in the car seat, baby girl?
Good car seat.
All right, we're gonna head on out.